Right. So you guys have been balancing chemical equations wrongly, right? So let the professor teach you today. Now, rather than spending lots of time here thinking of what to do, just start with the hard things first. Okay? So what's looking scary here? Ca3PO42, okay? Specifically the PO42. That's what looks scary here. So you start with that. Yeah, I know. You've always learned to do the simple things first before the complex things. But in this case, you have to start with the complex things, okay? So PO4, we have two of it. So we're going to come here, left hand side, and put a 2 here because of the PO4. So at least everybody can tell that the PO4 now is going to be 2, right? Because of this 2. See that? So that's the first thing. Now the 2 that you've dropped here has made my sodium 6 because 2 times this 3 here is 6. So it has made my sodium 6. So the next thing I'm going to do is to balance sodium. You see how I'm going step by step. I'm not just jumping all around. After placing the 2 here, you ask yourself, what has the 2 done? The 2 has made my sodium 6. So I'm going to have to balance sodium next. So I'll come over here and place a 6 here to balance the sodium. You see that? Now, what should I do next? You're right. Ask myself, what else has the 6 caused? Does cause Cl to be 6. Okay. So it just means that I have to go here to the other side and make sure the Cl is 6. I have 2 of it here. So I guess I'll need to put a 3 in front here in order to make the Cl 6. Okay. Now again, the 3 I've put here has made the calcium 3. So I'll come here to ensure that the calcium is 3. And it is already 3. So voila, we're done. We've balanced this whole thing. So you see how easy this thing is. It's not even difficult, right? Just from one step to the next step rather than thinking too much. This is what you're supposed to do. This is what you're supposed to do. Now, before you go, if you go to copychemistry.com, and that is copychemistry.com, on the front page here, you'll see a guideline. Basically, it's like a worksheet that contains 100 stoichiometry related questions, and they have video solutions just like this, that I explained like this. So this is for people struggling with stoichiometry. You can get it. It's on the website and is completely free. You don't have to sign up for anything. Just download it and start practicing. Okay. I want to actually see all of you succeed in chemistry, and you can come back and tell me that you're doing well. Right. I would really like to hear your story. I really like to hear your success story. Okay, so have fun and I'll see you on the next question.